Hey, my beautiful Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa and I'm so excited to have you here at my tea party. And in this video, I am going to be sharing with you how I'm going to be decoratively planning in my catch-all planner for the week of August the 16th through the 22nd in my vertical classic size happy planner. So what I also like to do is go over some of the items that I'm going to be using throughout this video, and I'm going to start off with some of my tools that I'm going to be using. I already have out my scissors because I do like to cut my scissors in half and utilize them throughout the spreads. I also have my X-Acto knife, which is a pen blade that has a retractable little mechanism here, and then when I push this little button here for safety, it'll tuck back in. I also like to use this to cut up my stickers as well. And then for my pens, I brought out my white jelly roll pen. As you can see here, I already kind of went in and took away some of the black lines. I utilize this pen a lot when I need to just kind of hide some of the black lines so that it doesn't show through some of the clear stickers that I'm going to be using with my spreads. And then I also have my Sharpie S-Gel pen. I absolutely love this pen. This is one of my faves right now. So I have a lot of these. So you'll probably see me using this, or maybe not. I'm not for sure. I'll probably just kind of be writing in some things for this plan with me. And then I also have my tweezers. So because I don't have a steady hand when it comes to kind of putting my stickers on just right, these tweezers come in handy. All right, so now that I got that out of the way, let me go ahead and show you guys the sticker books that I'm going to be using for this week. All right, so I did pull out the Wild Style sticker book for this week. I want to go ahead and dabble a little bit more into this sticker book. So I did pull out this Wild Style sticker book, and you know I had to go ahead and incorporate florals somewhere. So I pulled out this detail floral sticker book because you know I have a lot of floral sticker books, but I think this one is starting to become my favorite. And so I did a little combo with these two sticker books a few months ago, and so I want to go ahead and try my hands back at it again for this week. So those are the two sticker books that I'm mainly going to be using within this spread. And then to add a little accent and just a little pizzazz to my spread, I thought I would bring out my Wrong and Happy Planner edition accessory book. They have some beautiful Wrong dolls in here that I want to utilize that I think will go great with the florals and with the Wild Style sticker book. So I am going to be using that. And whenever I'm planning, I do like to use, yes, colorful boxes. I love using the colorful boxes. I love the different shapes of the colorful boxes. So I am going to be tying in some of those as well. And of course, you know, I'm going to be pulling in some quote stickers as well. So we'll go over the quote stickers that I chose as well for this week's spread. All right, so now that I have that out of the way, so what I have going on this week is actually going to be the girls' first day back to school. So they're only going to school 3 days a week this week because this is the beginning of the school week. And so I was going to do a back to school theme spread, but I just really want to kind of get into like a good mood because I know I'm going to be in my feelings about the two little ones going to school for the first time. So I just wanted to do a spread that's really cute and it's going to put me in a good spirit. And I just feel like the back to school theme was going to put me in like that, you know, that little mommy mode in my feelings type of thing. So I am going to be doing something really cute for this week. So I already have a few stickers already pulled out in mind that I want to use. So I am going to go ahead and start pulling those out. right, you guys, so here is my spread for this week. I absolutely love how it turned out. I am definitely digging the wild style and detail florals combination stickers. I love this. I also tied in, of course, like I said, the Wrong Wrong dolls by the Happy Planner and Wrong Wrong. I just love this. I just think it has like little peaks of these colors in there. And then of course the little leopard print I want to incorporate because this Wrong Wrong doll has a little leopard print as well. And then I tied in this quote sticker that I just love this sticker, y'all. So the quote says, "She has fire in her soul. Grace flows abundantly from her heart. She's brave and kind. Her heart is true. She lives her purpose every day. She inspires hope and leads with her brilliant light." Oh, I just love that sticker. And I was actually hoarding this sticker for just the right moment. And I was like, you know, let me just go ahead to use this quote. It was perfect for this week. And it's definitely going to just keep me inspired and keep me in a happy spirit. So I did realize in this week, I am missing a few more boxes because the girls have a back to school bash on Monday. And I need to put that down so I don't forget because that's in the evening time. And because of COVID, they are doing it staggered. And so we are one of the last groups to meet, which I think is great. So, and I believe Madison also has a step up to 7th grade just to kind of get her acclimated to 7th grade and her school since she is going to middle school, or she's in middle school, but she's new to the school because they were able to, you know, kind of, you know, navigate around and know where their classes are. So this is going to give her opportunity to find out her teachers, her classes, where they're going to be, and what hall. And so it's a big middle school, and so she is going to be doing that on Monday. So let me just put step up to 7th grade, and they're going to be there just for the morning session from 9 to 12. And then I know the girls have their back to school at elementary, so I am going to be a busy mom on Monday and Tuesday. Madison also has meet to teachers and dropping off her supplies on Tuesday, and then they start school on Wednesday. And then London actually starts a staggered start on Thursday for pre-K, so she starts that on Thursday, so I have that box there for that. And then she'll go back to pre-K full-time all day starting on Monday the 23rd. So I'm really excited about that. But I will take you guys along with me and let you guys see their first day and all of that. So I'm really excited. So I am going to fill the rest of this in, but I did want to add in those other 2 boxes that I remembered. And then, yeah, so I know this week is going to go by fast, but I do have my actual week is really going to start next week when they go in full time, and I kind of get used to their schedule and knowing when I can do things. So I may end up doing a back to school theme spread for this week, for that week here, the 23rd through the 29th, but I'm not for sure. But if you guys want to see a back to school spread of some sort, either in my social media or in my catch-all, definitely let me know down in the comments. If you love this little combination of the sticker book, let me know, because I am trying to use up all my stickers, you guys, because I do have quite a bit of a collection. So let me know what you prefer. If you want to do that wild style and detail floral combo, let me know if you want me to do that this week, for this coming week, the 23rd to the 29th, or a back to school theme with some printable stickers. Or I can use some of my Happy Planner back to school stickers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here again, hello and welcome. My name is Tekoa, and I do hope that you enjoy this video enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button to become a part of my Tea Party squad. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.